Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Sign into your PSN account now on the Ps5 or at account. PlayStation. You need your email, password, and the active two-step device nearby. Once signed in, navigate directly to Account Management then Security. Don't open other menus. Make sure you can receive the current verification code. If you can't, pause and use a backup code or the registered phone number. This initial preparation avoids lockouts and lets you proceed without interruptions, so act immediately. From Security, choose two-step verification and select Manage. You'll be prompted to enter a current code. Type it exactly as received to prove control of the account. After the code is accepted, pick Disable two-step verification and confirm the choice. PlayStation will ask for one final confirmation by email or an additional code. Once done, the system removes the requirement. Make sure to note that disabling reduces account protection, so consider alternative security like a strong password. After disabling, check your registered email for a confirmation message and then sign out and back in to confirm the change took effect. If you can't sign in or didn't receive codes, use any backup codes saved earlier or attempt account recovery via the forgotten password flow. If recovery fails, contact PlayStation support with account details. They'll verify ownership. Finally, if you change devices, consider re-enabling two-step with a new authenticator later for stronger security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.